Hello everyone, it's Joel, and today I just wanted to make a quick video about how you could be banking better. Now right now, if you have your money in a standard bank, you're probably actually losing money. When you save your money in a bank, they pay you a certain percentage of interest every year. The problem is this interest payment is usually tiny, less than 1%. I went on a few banks' websites and just looked exactly what the interest payment was for their savings account. And on Wells Fargo, I found that it was 0.01%. The same goes for US Bank, 0.01%. And then Bank of America had the largest that I found with 0.03%. Now this is pretty much nothing. You're not really going to make any money off of that. But you don't start losing money until you calculate in inflation. Now inflation is a decrease in the purchasing power of a currency. So every year your dollar is worth less money or has less purchasing power. The current inflation rate in the United States is around 2%. So every year you're losing 2% on your money. Now what does this have to do with banks? It doesn't seem that related, but actually it is. And that's because if you do your banking online, there are several online savings accounts that are going to pay you over 2% in interest. I went and looked and found a few examples very easily. The first one was actually American Express. Now American Express is a popular credit card company, but they do offer a savings account with no fees and over a 2% annual interest payment. This savings account is FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The second one I found was E-Trade, which usually is thought of as a stock brokerage, but they also have banking now, and they have a savings account that offers over 2% annually. But with their savings account, you are going to have to pay a $10 monthly fee unless you keep a balance of over $1,500. And the third example I found very quickly was Ally Bank. Ally Bank is a very popular online bank with a savings account that has no fees, FDIC insured for up to $250,000, and pays you over 2% interest a year. Now I know 2% doesn't seem like a lot, but over the course of your lifetime and depending on how much money you save, it can really add up. Most of these accounts are free, so it seems like it's just smarter to be keeping your money in an account where you're going to earn 2%, which basically cancels out inflation and is a lot better than losing your money in the bank. I was so excited when I personally learned about this. I just felt like I was being smarter with my money. Now what I do is I still do have a traditional checking account at my local bank that I keep a small amount of money in and use their ATMs or go to the bank when I absolutely have to have cash. But then I transfer my money into my online savings account when it's money that I'm trying to save up. Most of these online savings accounts, you do have to link it to another bank account to transfer money in and out, but it's really not that big of a hassle, and it is worth it for that 2% a year interest payment. That's 2% guaranteed on your money every year. With all that being said, thank you all for watching this video. I know it was a short one, but I just felt like this was some important information to get out there, especially for young people, because that 2% is going to add up significantly over the course of your lifetime. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.